Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect lamb chops every time. Juicy, flavorful, and super easy to whip up. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's marinate those lamb chops. In a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Throw in a teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin, and dried oregano. And if you want an Indian twist, add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Coat the lamb chops well, cover and refrigerate for at least an hour. Overnight is even better. Now on to cooking. Option 1, pan-seared. Heat a pan over medium-high. Add some butter and a little oil to prevent burning. Place your lamb chops and cook for 4 minutes per side until they're browned and caramelized. Lower the heat and cook for another 4-5 minutes, flipping occasionally. Nice and easy. Option 2, oven baked. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the marinated chops on a foil-lined baking tray. Bake for 15-18 minutes, flipping once midway for a crispy finish. Broil for 2 minutes at the end. Juicy and tender, just the way we like it. All right, time to serve. Garnish with some chopped parsley or cilantro. Serve hot with grilled veggies, mashed potatoes or garlic rice. Yum! Pro tips, don't skip the marination. It's key for extra tender and juicy chops. Rest the chops for 5 minutes after cooking for the best texture. And for a smoky flavor, grill over charcoal or add smoked paprika to the marinade. There you have it, perfect lamb chops every time. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Happy cooking, like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes by Kevin.